everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So many of you guys have actually DM'd that the eyeshadow collection that you have is really good, and you wanted to actually let you guys know that if there is any new affordable eyeshadow palette that I actually came across, and I wanted to you guys to get updated on this. By the way, if you really like this eye makeup look, then do not forget to watch out my previous video, which is the smoky eyes, that the how I actually created this look. And do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Both the handles will be in the description box. And yeah, that's pretty much. So I just wanted to keep you updated of my new eyeshadow palettes or blusher or any palettes that I recently got, and I am in love with them. The first thing is it's not new, but I loved this eyeshadow makeup I actually created with the help of this eyeshadow palette. So this is the Glam 21 Pro Extra Eye Palette. This actually I got it very recently, like a month or 2 months ago. So these are mostly of nudes. Mostly these have nudes, few pop-up colors like here. This is a pop-up color, this is pop-up color, rest all are nudes, and this is my absolute favorite nowadays. I don't think I cannot function without this eyeshadow palette. I thought of creating this eye makeup with the help of two palettes, but honestly this was enough. Now this is Glam 21 shade number 03. I got this from Ishita Dev. I will try and give the link of her Facebook profile down, because she actually sells up really affordable makeup with quality. This is original Glam 21. This is not a copy. So all the products that I use except Huda Beauty, none of them are copy, and I very rarely use Huda Beauty lip color, that is, but not the eye shades. So this is my new updated palette. I got it really inexpensive, like 280, which was super inexpensive, and I love this palette. I cannot function without this. The next eyeshadow palette, which is a real opposite of the present one, and that will be the colorful palette from Hilary Rhoda. So this is how the palette is. It has all the pop-up colors that possibly a girl, a woman would need. So it has sea green color, it has light green color, it has dark green color, it has a beautiful yellow color. Let me show you how pigmented this is, and the pink color, and all the other beautiful colors. So pigmentation is supremely pigmented, and it has all the expected colors a woman would need for any of the outfits. So this is again something new that I got in my collection, and I thought why not to share with you guys. This was again very inexpensive. I got this from Antara Malik. Yes. If you really wanted to know who are these people, I will definitely leave their Facebook link in the description box. You can definitely go ahead and purchase. They are the resellers of Facebook, and I think, yeah, they have been a reseller for a really long time, but due to lockdown these people have come up to the platform. I have just two more palettes left. Next is a Shreon palette. This is a blusher, highlighter, contour, all in one palette. So this is a beautiful palette I'm talking about. These two are the blushers, these two are the blushers. This is a contour, this is a compact, the below ones are all the highlighters. So this is a highlighter, this is a highlighter. All are supremely pigmented. They are supremely pigmented. The contour, like, this is really good contour. Very light, very natural contour. If you really wanted to know how this contour can be, trust me, it's a natural contour. It is a little powdery, so there can be fallouts, to be honest, but it is so natural that I cannot explain how beautiful the palette is. It does have a fallout, but both the blushers, especially this is my favorite blusher, which right now I applied, and you cannot even imagine that I did apply blusher. So two blushers, contour, compact, and so many highlighters. This originally was real expensive, but I think I got this for 280 change, which is again very affordable. I am in the shade 01. None of them are made in China, by the way. They are made in India, which is Delhi. They have an expiry of 2024, which is again a very long time. So yeah, next is this favorite palette, and I just have one last palette which I actually restocked for myself, because I have been using this palette since my college days, where I knew nothing about makeup, like nothing. That would be a Shivana Contour Cheek and Contour palette. So this is what it is. You have blusher, you have 2 contour and 1 highlighter. All of them are supremely pigmented. They are supremely pigmented and they are very natural. Now pigmented does not mean it will give you a very high color payoff. Pigmented is something, the color that you actually want is something which is called pigmented. To be very honest, pigmented never means that it will give you too much of color. It doesn't happen that way. Now the contour that I have used just now is supremely pigmented. The blusher that I've used is supremely pigmented, but none of them are giving up throwing the colors. That is something you need to understand when what is the difference between pigmented palette and what is you actually mean by pigmented. So that's it. I have just this 4 palettes that I actually added to my collection, and I have absolutely loved all of them. I think, yeah, I'm missing my favorite blusher and cheek, this, and then this, and then this. So all of them are my personal favorite, and I love them. So yes, that was a little update. I hope this was a little helpful. If yes, please do subscribe, because that's a little bit of motivation we as a YouTuber get from you guys. And yes, I will see you definitely in the next video. Do take a moment to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Both the handles are in the description box, and I will very soon come up with a video, because I'm filming the videos back to back. I'll be little occupied this week and the next week, so I'm just filming with the same outfit. I'm so sorry for this, but I think content is something which is very important than my outfit. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching. Do take a moment to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Do make sure that you have subscribed to my channel, and also hit the like button for more such updates. And that's pretty much. I will see you very soon with yet another video.